Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. WCOIN listing update, March 25th, 2025, get ready for the big launch. Rocket exciting news for crypto enthusiasts. The much-anticipated WCOIN is officially rescheduled for listing on March 25th, 2025. But here's the twist. While you might have expected the launch to happen sooner, this slight delay comes with a lot of positive changes behind the scenes that are definitely worth the wait. So, why the delay? Here's what you need to know. We know delays can be frustrating, but let's take a closer look at why this decision could actually work in everyone's favor. 1. Smart contracts are ready to rock. The WCOIN team has been working tirelessly, and the smart contract for $Coin is good to go. This means everything's in place for a smooth, secure launch. 2. Airdrop is all set to go. For all you eager crypto fans, the airdrop is ready to roll out. This means free $Coin tokens are headed your way soon. Who doesn't love free crypto? 3. Strong strategic partnerships in place. The team has forged some powerful partnerships, and everyone's geared up for the upcoming token generation event, TG. This collaboration will help drive adoption and create even more value for the community. 4. NFTs incoming. Get ready for some exclusive NFTs that will be distributed in the coming days. These will bring added utility and value to the WCOIN community. 5. Launch under the best market conditions. Rather than rushing into a volatile market, the WCOIN team is making sure to launch at the most optimal time. This will ensure the token's performance and stability right from the start. What to expect on March 25th, 2025. This delay isn't just about waiting longer, it's about giving the community the best possible experience. The team is focusing on key aspects like security, accessibility, and overall user experience to make sure everything is perfect by launch day. WCOIN strategy and tokenomics. What's in store? WCOIN, $Coin, is being designed with the future in mind. Here's a quick peek at what makes it so exciting. Token supply. A total of 100 billion tokens will be available, making it a large-scale digital asset with tons of room to grow. Staking rewards. Boost your earnings by staking your $Coin tokens. It's an easy way to increase your holdings while supporting the network. Multiple exchange listings. WCOIN will be available for trade on major platforms like Biget and other partner exchanges. The more places to trade, the better. Seamless Telegram integration. The WCOIN ecosystem will make it easier than ever to mine and trade directly through Telegram. Convenience at its best. Price predictions and airdrop buzz. At the time of listing, analysts estimate that WCOIN could start at a price range between 5 cents and 15 cents. This is exciting because it opens the door for potential growth. Plus, the upcoming airdrop will likely spark a flurry of activity from new investors, so expect lots of action in the crypto community. FAQ: your WCOIN questions answered. When is WCOIN listed? WCOIN will be listed on March 25th, 2025. Be sure to stay tuned for any updates from the team. Why was the listing delayed? The delay is due to market instability. The team wants to launch the token under the best possible market conditions to ensure its success. What about the airdrop? The airdrop mechanism is ready. Soon you'll have the chance to receive free $Coin tokens as part of the launch celebrations. How to buy crypto on BitTime. Interested in trading or buying crypto? BitTime is the platform you need. As an officially registered Indonesian exchange with Bapepti, BitTime ensures fast, secure transactions. Here's how to get started. Register and complete your identity verification. Make a deposit of at least IDR 10,000. Then, you can start buying your favorite digital assets. Stay updated with BitTime's blog for the latest crypto news and educational resources to help you navigate the world of Web3 and blockchain technology. Get ready for March 25th, 2025.